Let's roll.
Welcome to the RC Workbench. Today we're going to take a look at the Fantom Racing V2T FR-1 Works Edition Plus racing motor. This one is a 17.5 turn stock motor, specifically for use in buggy racing, 1/10 scale buggy racing. Now this motor has been spec'd specifically by Troy at Fantom Racing for our needs. And what it has, instead of the stock 12.5 millimeter rotor, it has a 12.3 millimeter rotor, which should give it a little more RPM than the stock one. So let's go ahead and open up the box, take a look at it. Okay, I've already cut open the factory seal. Yeah, let's see here. Here is a sticker sheet. Here are a spare set of steel bearings. I'll mention those in a little bit. Here's a spare steel timing ring and endbell screws and Teflon shims. And here is a 180 millimeter sensor wire, and then the motor itself. You notice that there's some stickers in here. Because it's the Works Edition Plus version of the motor, it's been blueprinted, dyno tested, and the results have been are shown on, given to you on the box for reference. So here's the motor. Okay, let's put this aside. Now, because it is the Works Edition Plus version, it comes with ceramic bearings rather than the steel bearings. So they still give you the steel bearings as spares, but it comes installed. You can see the orange shielding on the bearings. Those are the ceramic bearings. Ceramic bearings have higher tolerances and have are much smoother running and longer lasting than steel bearings. And now, also because it's the Works Edition Plus version, it has an aluminum timing ring rather than the steel one. Again, the steel one the steel one comes as spares, but the aluminum one's installed, and also has aluminum endbell screws. You can see right there. The aluminum parts have less of an effect on the magnetic field of the motor, so the motor runs stronger and with more RPM. Okay, what else do we have here? It looks like the timing has been set from the factory at about 47 degrees. That should be the recommendation of the guys for our application. The solder posts are very solid, very heavy duty. Remind me of Reedy solder posts, and which are much better than some of the other ones I've seen where you're soldering what it looks like directly on a PC board. These ones should hold up to a lot of use. And there's air cooling cutouts. And it's a very nicely finished motor with some nicely laser etched logos on the side. Not that has anything to do with the performance, but it's always nice to know that they put some effort into the fit and finish of the product. All right. Oh, one more thing. Because this has a custom rotor spec inside it, it also comes with a stock rotor, which is also blueprinted and tested for strength using their Fantom fax machine 3 meter. You see it has the rotor strength numbers on here. This is the stock one, in case you want to put it in as a spare. So, alright. Once again, this is the Fantom V2T FR-1 Works Edition Plus racing motor, 17.5 turn, and this is the RC Workbench. Thanks much.